right. Stadium truck. The hot new class.
What? Yeah, buddy. You good to go now?
Over 6
all right? Anything else you need to transfer the batteries?
Hey, how come you're not running stadium truck?
Gonna be one before we stop again. Alright, here we go. An 8-minute main stop stadium truck. All on the toad.
Oh, little bumping going on, but pretty clean.
Back move on Julie. Matt right in the fight. Not a nice move. Watch this triple. Jeff Wood will lead that second lap. With Victor right there behind him. Chad in third. Kenny in fourth. CC in fifth. Chewy in sixth. Pat in seventh. Oh,
no, what's in the wall? Oh!
Victor and Jeff. Oh.
They meet again.
Banging wheels again in a bad spot. Victor waiting too long. Can't go by. This is back to third now. Casey right behind him in fourth. Jeff out front. Chad in second spot. Victor right there in third with Casey all over him in fourth. Chewy in fifth. Pat in sixth. Chewy in seventh. Where does Casey go? Walk up.
Oh, Chad has a little issue.
Chad rolling over. Victor and JT going by. Timmy.
Oh, Timmy's back in it. Oh no!
Oh, Victor doing a couple in the rhythm. JT up to second place. Jeff getting caught on the wall. JT heading up now. JT all
tightening up.
Victor closing in over to Colonel.
Three-way battle here.
6:25 to go. Long way to go. Oh, just pacing it on the triple. Victor pacing it. JT all the back up Wood. Victor trying to reel back in. Chad right on the back end. Top four within 3 seconds of each other. Oh, no. Over. Oh, Chad looking inside of Victor. Victor comes the door. Victor catching the pipe. Chad getting by him. JT all over the back of the rhythm they go.
Good action. Oh! Wood running away with it.
Jack working up to step up now. Victor in second place with JT in third. Chad in fourth. Chewy in fifth. Pat sixth. Kenny in 7-5.
There's second.
To go. Oh, watch that for triple.
Oh no!
Battles that second spot again.
Yeah.
Heating up. Victor in seven with Chad and JT all over him in that third, fourth spot. Wood getting caught at the step up. Second, third, fourth off battle out. Wood able to kind of pull away, running by himself. Got to put that second lead over Victor. Chad and JT all over back to Victor. 5 minutes to go. Wednesday, here we go. Watch it, it's a triple, watch the triple.
Oh no, leader getting tangled up.
4 minutes, 45 seconds to go. Jeff out front with Victor in second place, Chad in third, JT in fourth, Mike Dewey in fifth, Pat in sixth, Timmy in seventh. JT gets to the inside of Chad. Gonna get by him at the step up. JT setting his sights on Victor for that second spot. Chad heads on the right.
Woody's gonna laugh at
back row, trying to get third back. Wood still your leader. He's got 3.5 second lead over Victor. Victor with a 2.5 second lead over Chad now as he gets back by JT. Okay, you want our
Tightening up. Oh no, Wood's loose.
JT on long one, gets off the triple. JT pulls back in on Chad. Oh, Timmy did it by Pat this lap. Timmy moving up one spot.
Oh don't know.
Oh, Victor Real and Wood back in. There's only a second between them. They work through the rhythm section. Oh, Ted and DC down now on Creeper. 1.5 seconds. Wood stretching it back out. Is they going to come up on some serious traffic now? Oh, watch the second triple. DC back up to third, and in fourth. Huey in fifth, Kimmy in sixth, Pat 7. 3 minutes to go. Offhand rolling it over.
Major traffic here. Oh.
Wood out front. Victor closing on him hard. Through the triple. On the straightaway. Half a second gap. Oh, the back remaining rhythm. Over the triple. Wood got the lead down the straightaway. Victor in second place. DC third. Pat fourth. Huey in fifth. Huey in sixth. Pat in seventh. 2 minutes and 20 seconds to go.
Plenty of time.
Guys step up to the top spot.
Oh, no.
Triple. Victor's got his work cut back out for him. He got 3 second gap. He got close. Heads back up the wood. 2 seconds now. Oh, Pat with the ball cup. 2.5 seconds to gap from Jeff. Back to Victor.
Oh, lawn dart.
Jeff catching the fresh dirt. Stopping Jet there as Victor reels him back in. Half a second between the top two. DC and dirt. Pat 4, 2 and 15.
About a minute to go. Oh.
Go. Victor Real and Jeff back in as they head to the rhythm section. 1 minute to go. We're going to get the 1 minute mark here this time by.
1 minute left.
That is the 1 minute mark. .45 seconds to go. Jeff is the leader with Victor right at him. DC in third, about 8 seconds back. Cat in fourth. Mike in fifth, King in sixth, Pat in seventh. Doctoral fourth, Amy, you're up next. Doctoral fourth, Amy is up next. Victor closing the gap again as they head up the step up and into triple. Both turn in 11-7, that time by. Victor closing the gap just a little bit this time. Watch it on the straightaway. Victor with 11-4 that time. Really turning it on here. We got 5 seconds to go.
Oh, man.
I think I'm being back to line 3 to go. 2, 1.
Oh, one more.
Go. You're done when you hit the line. Battle for the lead. Over to triple. Oh, kept taunting him. Victor's trying to take advantage of it. Good race. Hollingsworth, we're waiting for Hollingsworth. Oh, sorry. That one's going to go to Jeff with 40 laps. Victor with 40. DC in third with 39. Chad in fourth with 38. Tui in fifth with 36.